Chelsea and Bianca, I've got an idea for good luck. I've got our good luck charm, and all you need to do is rub his belly.
It's a HR issue, surely.
No. Or what about this?
I consent. It's okay.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
I consent. It's okay. Good luck. Oh. Sorry.
You should blame yourself for this.
Yeah, it's my belly's fault, sorry. Oh, baby push. Use his head.
Straight outside. Alright, push the button. All you need to do, scan the QR code, we've got $30,000 cash.
Good luck, mate.
Just on that side there. There's not much pressure. You're right. Come on, come on, come on. We'll all do it together. We'll do it together. What are you gonna do? Like a big wind up? Ready? Wind it. Wind it. Wind it. Yay. Oh! You can go to bowling anyway. There you go. Back up to it. Back
Real
up to
handy,
it.
these things, aren't they?
And then stack it.
I
Go.
don't know how masculine they are. Like if I was to like wheel my
Oh, going to bowling anyway. Date night.
True, very true. Windmill.
Come on.
Oh, the fast
3.
bowler. The fast bowler. Was that bowling? Is that what you were doing? Were you bowling? Oh, okay. I got it. I got it now. There you go.
Thank you, Sammy.
No worries. Enjoy some bowling.
Will you push the button?